Hey guys, so check this out. This is one from Analog-X64, one of the the main users of C64 Dev machine, and this is the script produced by Analog. Uh, Impressive use of just going down in one straight spine. Pretty old school, I suppose, but very impressive nonetheless. Didn't use any mapping boxes or orgs or tabbing, but whatever, that's fine. I'm not gonna fuss over new features not implemented, but this has probably started in an older version. And literally you can do this in the demo if you wanted. You don't have to have the full version because this is just using straight instructions. There's no macros used here by the looks of it. It's just code as you would expect, and let's fire this up. So as far as I know, it's sending the character ROM data into the sprites and just moving the sprites across. I say just, it's pretty impressive. You've got your bitmap there and your SID music. So that's one of the files. I had a look at one of the other ones as well. That's pretty cool. We can do the scroller speed somewhere here. 1 equals fast, 4 equals slow. I'm trying to see where that actually is, but anyway, these comments probably end up drifting if you start adding codes in places. But anyway, let me just load another one up. Let's do this one. It's quite impressive to see what's been done. Oh, a little jiggle. That's cool. I like that. Very demo scene-y. Groovy. And the other one, which I thought was really cool, I think it was this one. It had a bit of a sine wave to it. So I think, yeah, there we go. Obviously, if you pause it, you can see it's just like splitting where the sprites are, and if you do Shift Alt P, you can sort of see it's shifting the data into the sprites. That's really quite impressive. So I thank you from the bottom of my heart, Analog, for doing this. It is a testament and a showcase of what can be done with this tool, and it is impressive. Just the straight mnemonics, just labels and branches. Yeah, very cool. Obviously, branches themselves have a limit of 128 bytes either way, I think, something like that. So you might have to springboard, which means jump to a local location, branch to a local location, then jump. So I imagine that might have been what had to have happened here. I don't know if I can see any jumps in here. Yeah, and this is just the first of many to come. That is quite a nice opener. Bitmap, SID loaded, the SID exit point, and then into the program. 0 page stuff. DD-dod. It would be good if there was more comments of what some of this did, because I don't even know. I'm looking at it thinking, okay, yeah, I can pretend to know what this is. I can see that stuff's been loaded into the sprite data, storing into the sprites, all the data. That's quite impressive. Man, good job. But yeah, I do need to make it so that you can multi-select and drag multiple, because what I want to do is like have org blocks where you can sort of just grab a bunch and go over like so. Oh, and then we found a problem with undo and redo. Okay, well I'll deal with that. That could be a problem. But yeah, nice work. Thanks so much for making that, and I'll catch you later. Bye.